Hello, boys and girls. Yesterday, we were learning about community helpers who keep us safe. Today, we will learn about people who help us stay healthy in our community. Before we do that, we are going to get started with a calming breath. Let's do our star breath today. So we're going to stop and smile, take a deep breath, and relax. We're going to do that 2 more times. Stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. Stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. Now that our brains and bodies are ready to learn, we will continue with our morning message. Our morning message asks a question about those who help us stay healthy. Let's count the number of lines to count how many words are in our morning message. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. Count how many words is in our morning message. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many words are in our morning message? 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our morning message is an asking sentence, so that means it is a question. Who keeps us well? That is asking us who helps keep us healthy. Who keeps us well? We're going to start with the first word in our morning message. Who? Who? Say it at home. Who? Our next word is keeps. Who keeps us? Who keeps us well? And because this is an asking sentence, a question, we put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's read that together. Who keeps us well? I want you to think about who helps keep us well. Who keeps us well and healthy in our community? Think about that in your brain. While you're thinking about that, I'm going to show you a letter. We're going to find this letter in our morning message. This is the letter K. Big K, little k. K, K, K. We are going to find little k in our morning message. I'm going to circle little k. Oh, that's not little k. That's not little k either. Here's little k. So I'm going to circle little k. K. We are going to look for another letter in our sentence. This is the letter S. Big S, little s. S, S, S. We are going to find 2 little s's in our sentence. See, there's little s. I'm going to circle. Let's see if we can find one more little s. Put your good letter finding glasses on and see if you can find them. Is this little s? No. Is this little s? No. Is this little s? Yes, this is little s. S. Our 2 letters today are K and S. Who keeps us well? I asked you earlier to think about who keeps us well. We're going to read in our book today about who keeps us well. So while you're thinking, I'm going to share my screen so that you can see who keeps us well in our community. Yesterday, we started reading Neighborhood Helpers. Neighborhood Helpers, yesterday we learned about who helps keep us safe in our community. We learned about firefighters and police officers. We found in the table of contents that we were talking about the police officer and firefighter. Today, we are going to talk about the visiting nurse, doctor, and dentist. Visiting nurse starts on page 18, so we're going to skip all the way to page 18. Visiting nurse. Is someone in your house sick? A visiting nurse can help. Visiting nurses go to people's homes. They take care of people who cannot go outside. So here's someone who is sick at home, and here is a nurse who is going to visit to help. On this page, is about doctors. Did you hurt yourself? A doctor can help you. Doctors can put stitches in a deep cut. They can put a cast on a broken arm or leg. So you can go to the doctor or have a nurse visit you when you are unwell. If you are not healthy, if you got sick or hurt yourself, those are types of being unwell. So here's a doctor fixing a stitch, putting a stitch in someone. Think about how those doctors help you stay well. Maybe you go to a doctor and get a shot to help keep you from getting sick. Dentist. Do you have a toothache? A dentist can help you. Dentists can fix cavities. They can even pull a loose tooth. If you have a cavity, you go to a dentist to get it fixed, because cavities can make you sick and unwell. These are different, so dentists, doctors, and nurses are different people in our community that help keep you well, help keep you healthy. I want you to think about who you go to see in our community that helps keep you well. Do you see a nurse? Have you seen a doctor? Have you gone to the dentist? These are all community members who keep you well and healthy. Let's see if you can think of anyone who helps keep you well. I know, I went to the doctor to get a shot to help me from getting sick. Maybe you've gone. I went to the dentist to fill a cavity to keep my teeth nice and healthy. Think about who keeps you well. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.